best coffee machine, Nespresso Vertuo Next by DeLonghi. Review: a sleek, smart and sophisticated brewing companion for coffee enthusiasts who desire convenience without sacrificing flavor or quality. The Nespresso Vertuo Next by DeLonghi presents a compelling proposition. This review explores its features, performance, pros and potential drawbacks based on in-depth usage and observation. If you value simplicity, consistency and quality, the Nespresso Vertuo Next by DeLonghi with Aeroccino is an excellent choice. It bridges the gap between instant coffee and full espresso machines, delivering premium cafe-style drinks with the touch of a button. The detailed video covers design and build quality, ease of use, coffee quality, variety,